Welcome back to Doors and Floors blog, where we talk about DIYs, daily adventures, and life abroad here in Peru. In today's adventure, we are going to be making some scrap fabric shoe bags. I've made this project several times now. It's up on my blog. I've shown you a couple of different methods. We've got one with a zipper and we've got one without a zippered pocket. And they're very convenient. They're very awesome for carrying around your shoes when you're on vacation. I really like it. I prefer to use the shoe bag when I'm in a car versus a plane. It's kind of more convenient just because they're a little bulky. So I would just keep that in mind if you want this to be a bag that you're going to use in your suitcase, which is actually the one I'm making for this trip because I'm on my way to the States shortly. So I kind of need a shoe bag. I need to carry some boots to the States. I'm just going to make sure that I don't choose a super thick material. The first time I made this, I made it out of like a corduroy, so it was very thick and it was just kind of too bulky to go in my suitcase. So I'm gonna be using a bed sheet and a bunch of itty bitty scraps. Basically, we're just gonna patchwork some squares. And I will pop the link for my blog post on my website if you want kind of a more in-depth showing of like the zipper process and kind of how to go into cutting your squares if you really want to design it. You can patchwork in a really hectic, chaotic way, and if you want, that's typically the piece that I use on the inside, and then the outside sometimes I will make it a little more symmetrical. I like to make sure that the left and the right side match so that everything looks nice together, but it's a shoe bag. So to be honest, sometimes I'm just lazy and I don't really care. So it's totally up to you. I have gone through and I have just got a bunch of my scrap fabric, went through and I cut everything into rectangles and squares. That was kind of the easiest way to go about this. And then I just have a bunch of pieces. They're all different shapes and sizes. I'm just gonna start patchworking them all together until I have several different square shapes. You don't have to do this. You could totally use some fabric that's properly cut. I will put the proper cutting dimensions down in the description. Personally, I need to use up some of my fabric scraps. I really need to get through some of this stuff. So we're using fabric scraps today. But once you get into it, you can have pieces that look kind of more like this. They're just a bunch of rectangles. I'm just gonna keep making them until I have a bunch of bigger pieces, and then I will cut the needed shapes and lengths, and then we will get into it. You're also gonna need some ties. So if you have any pieces that are long and skinny, like pieces like this, they're gonna be perfect because scrap fabric ties for the bag, super cute. Totally recommend. Nice long piece, and then we just kind of fold it like a bias tape, and then we sew along the outer edge. So it'll be super fun. Anyways, go grab your scraps, and let's get cutting, and let's get into it.